Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 basic Java entry questions. Difference between interfaces and abstract class. Abstract class have a body member elements, whereas interfaces just have the methods and static member declarations. So you have say 4 specific classes or concrete classes. If there are no common behaviors, you can go for interfaces. If there are common behavior, you can move those common behavior to the abstract class. So common behavior means common methods to the abstract class, and specific things you can mark it as abstract methods, and the concrete classes can implement those methods. So that's where interface and abstract comes into picture. Explain constructor. It's an operation that initializes the object. It is a block of code which is executed at the time of creation. So whenever you create an object, say new of employee, these constructors will be called. You can do whatever you want to do during the object creation. What is dynamic binding? Association of function call to function definition during runtime. So whenever you use an interface and based on the object, the corresponding concrete class method will be called. What is the use of volatile keyword? Volatile is a declaration that a variable can be accessed by multiple threads and hence shouldn't be cached. Explain serialization. Serialization is the process of converting object state into stream of byte, storing the state of an object in file or database or other medium. So in case of remote communication, say from one machine to the other machine, you can convert object into a stream of byte and you can send through the wire, or you can also store in a file, and later point of time you can read the same object and you can come to know the state of an object. So you have to your class should implement the serializable to involve in the serialization process. Hope these interview questions are useful. Thank you and all the best.